In today's video we will fix plastic parts. We are on the Mercedes W124 channel. I'm Hervé and I will explain to you how we do it. Now you may wonder why to fix a plastic part instead of buying a new one, which is much easier really. Well, the thing is, this is for the fan clutch, and somehow it got caught into the plastic and broke. So obviously I tried to find a new part, but it seems to be rather difficult to find. So I've decided to go for the other option, which is to fix it. Okay, that way the car will be able to run again. Now, bear in mind, the car can run. This goes on to cool the car. If you're on the motorway, stuff like that, there's no problem. But the car can overheat if you don't have this on the car when you're in town. Okay, so now I will show you what we will need for this. You will need a welding gun like this one. This is sold on eBay, Amazon, stuff like that. You will find it all over the internet. Even in some shops, you'll find it. Something gets clipped here, a part of metal, and when you click it, it gets hot, and then you can go into the plastic and weld it. So that's perfect. That you'll see. I will show you it more in details. It's perfect. Okay. You will need as well to use some kind of ties like this. Why? Because once we will have welded it, we will use this. We will melt it onto the plastic and make sure that it's finished a bit better. Okay, so anyway, now let me show you how we go about it. We will need now to select which part we will use to weld. Okay, as you can see, there are different ones, and different ones are used depending on what we want to weld. For instance, if it's a flat surface, this will be just perfect, you see, and it's quite wide, so that'll be great. If it's something a bit slimmer, like here for instance, you can use something like this, you see. If it's an angle like here, we can use something like that, you see, it will go right here. Okay, so depending on what you want to weld, select the part you want. Once you're happy with it, you just take it and you fit it simply at the end, like so. Here we go. So let's start welding now. As you have seen, I've placed two clips here, so now it's welded, it's perfect. Obviously, I will add some more here, okay, so that it's stronger. And then I will fix the other part that's broken here. Once it's done, then we'll remove the extra part. You can simply break it off, or you can use pliers, whatever you want, okay? And then we'll finish it off by welding a bit more plastic on it. This is it. It's now fully fixed. Okay, as you can see, we've got our clips that we need to remove all over here. Okay, here same thing, and this one as well has been fixed. It's here. Okay, so let's now, as I said, we can just break off the excess. We just push it a little bit, it will break off, or if not, use pliers. I've now removed the excess, but as you can see, it's a bit ugly because obviously it's been welded in. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna use an iron to weld, and we'll melt it a little bit, and then what we do, we will use our clips, plastic clips, and we'll place it on top and we'll weld it like that. Okay, so that it melts the two together properly. Okay, so we'll do that everywhere and that will be done. The part is now repaired, perfect. So let me show you where it has been repaired. I hope it will focus. Okay, it's here, you can see here, there, okay, and as well here, okay. So as I said, if you have some broken parts on your car and it's difficult to find the parts, well, you can repair them, and it's very cheap to repair them, and it's actually quite strong, okay. So do it that way and it will be another option, okay. So I hope that you have liked the video, and subscribe to the channel if it's not done so, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.